హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ జీనియస్ జంక్షన్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు జాగ్రఫీ సబ్జెక్ట్లోని యూనివర్స్ టాపిక్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాం. యూనివర్స్ యూనివర్స్ includes the sun, the planets, the Milky Way galaxy and all other galaxies. These all come under our universe, or we can simply say that these all form our universe. Range of universe is infinite. It cannot be defined. So, the science that studies universe is called astronomy. In Russian language, we see this as cosmology. This is a very important bit, might be asked in competitive examinations. In English, we say astronomy. So, all of this topic is gone through by an Italian astronomer Galileo. Through his search made by telescope, we all gonna find this. Universe, Latin word universum. From the Latin word universum, we derived or we found the word universe. Its meaning all matter and all space. Universe is expanding about 70 km per second. So, what do you know about this astronomer means? A scientist who studies the stars, planets, and other natural objects in space is known as astronomer, and that study is called as astronomy, as we discussed earlier. So let's know about origin of universe. There are many theories which describes that how universe was formed, but the most popular one was the Big Bang theory. So this Big Bang theory was proposed by the Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaitre. He said that a tiny atom about 13.7 billion years ago, this refers tiny atom like a small ball with infinite temperature and infinite density, blasted. Due to increasing temperature and density of atom, it exploded and shattered into small pieces all over the universe. As a result, stars, galaxies, planets, satellites, celestial objects formed in the universe. So this is what the Big Bang theory describes about. So according to astronomers, at least 12.5 billion galaxies are there in universe. You have to note a point that they are saying at least, and the maximum can be more than this. Distance from one edge of galaxy to other is 1,20,000 light years. And Milky Way is the galaxy in which our solar system is located. Our solar system was formed about 4.6 billion years ago. And friends, do you know about asteroids, comets and all these things? So come on, let's know about them. Some celestial bodies are big and hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own light and heat which they can emit in large amounts. So these are called as stars. So sun is also a star. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. Those are planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids, comets, etc. So, do you know what is constellation? This is a very important bit. Various patterns formed by different group of stars. So, constellation and that main topic is Ursa Major or Big Bear. Saptarishi, group of 7 stars. And do you know North Star is often referred to as Pole Star. Sun is about 150 km away from Earth. Earth's number 3rd place, but if you see Earth size wise, then it is in 5th place. You have to remember this. And Earth's shape is geoid shape, which means Earth like shape. Distance of Moon to Earth 3,84,400 km. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly time to complete one spin. Let's come back to our topic, solar system. Origin of solar system. Okay, let me ask you one question. That do you know how many years that has been solar system formed about? Yes, it's 4.6 billion years ago. Okay, now see about origin of solar system. Origin of solar system. Some theories are there, but most important ones or most popular ones are the three. The first comes as geocentric theory, second heliocentric theory, third nebular hypothesis. Three of them are very important. Please listen carefully. Geocentric theory. It is Egyptian astronomer Ptolemy. He said that Earth as center and others revolve around it. Heliocentric theory. Polish astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus, he said that Sun as center and planets, satellites and other celestial bodies revolve around it. Nebular hypothesis said by Immanuel Kant, planets were formed out of a cloud of dust and gases associated with the sun. Okay, now let us know about what is environment. Derived from French word environner, which means neighborhood. June 5th is known as World Environment Day. So there are three components: natural, human, man-made. So many of them don't know that human and man-made both are different. Okay, natural is subdivided into as biotic, which means living, biosphere, and natural another abiotic, which means non-living, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Human, individual, family, community, religion, education, economic. Man-made, that are made by the man, bridge, parks, monuments, these are. And do you know that this lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere are known as nature realms? How many of you know them? Do comment me. Lithosphere, solid part of earth made up of rocks, minerals, and thin layer of soil. Lithosphere derived from two words, it is divided: litho and sapphira. Litho, Greek, sphira, spear or ball. Litho means stone or rock. 22nd April is celebrated as World Earth Day. Earth is made up of different layers like an egg, three layers, that is crust, mantle and core. Core is subdivided into two: inner core and outer core. Hydrosphere, all water bodies present on Earth's surface, and Earth is known as watery planet. 2 by 3 Earth's surface is covered by hydrosphere. Only 1% of water is useful to our needs. Remaining 99% of water is in form of ice, saline water, etc., which can be used. Hydrosphere, two parts: hydor and spira. Hydor, Greek, water, which means sapphira, which means spear or ball. 22nd March is celebrated as World Water Day. Now let's know about atmosphere. Atmosphere. Thin envelope of air surrounding Earth. It extends several hundred kilometers upwards from Earth's surface. Atmosphere, atmos and sapphira. Atmos, Greek, vapor. Sapphira, spear or ball. September 16th is known as World Ozone Day. Atmosphere consists of various gases that includes nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, argon 0.93%, CO2 0.03%, others 0.04%. Oxygen is known as breath of life. And do you know atmosphere layers it has are 5: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere. The water vapor and dust particles present in air or atmosphere support to form clouds, thereby give rains. Biosphere, zone of earth where land, water and air interact with each other. Bio come from the Greek word which means life. Now let's discuss about pollution. Pollution can be of three types, as you know: air caused by water, soil. Air factors which you can list out: ash, salt particles, smoke, acid rain, fuel consumption, industrial dust, CFC, etc., chlorofluorocarbons. Water, physical, biological, or chemical change in water quantity. Drought, situation of prolonged shortage of water supply, is known as drought. For the first time, disaster management was defined as a developmental issue in the 10th five-year plan. In the 10th plan, policy guidelines for disaster control, operational guidelines, specific development plans are suggested. Now I have brought some questions to you which are very useful. The study of universe is known as we know, it is maybe in option astronomy, or that is astrology or cosmology, both of them are right. Sorry, astronomy and cosmology both are right, because astrology is far different from astronomy. And anthropology, which means human history, etymology, study of origin of words. So which is the most widely accepted model to explain the formation and evaluation of solar system? Nebular hyposynthesis, rotating cloud of dust and gases, which was explained by Immanuel Kant in 1755, Laplace 1796, revised. That is why it is also known as nebula Laplace. How old is our universe? 13.6 billion years. Origin, Big Bang Theory, which was said by George Pauls, published 1930, and it was said by Lemaitre 1927. Solar system, 4.6 billion years ago. Heliocentric theory, said by Copernicus, and the different paths formed by different group of stars are called constellations. Different types: cross-shaped Cygnus, co-shaped Cassiopeia, Great Bear, Ursa Major or Saptarishi, the Hunter, Orion, and brightest star, the Rigel. Which of the following is closest or nearest to the galaxy to the Milky Way? Andromeda Galaxy, that means spiral galaxy. Brightest star in the night sky, Sirius, which is known as horse star. Hubble's law is related to astronomy. Steady state, which explains average density is constant. Theory, steady stable theory. Fred Hoyle, Hermann Bondi, Thomas Gold. Cosmic snowballs of frozen gases, rock and dust that orbit the sun are known as comets. Halley comet, 76 years. Every 76 years we can see them. Last time 1986 it appeared. And next one we see comet. Planet Mercury closest to sun. Planet Jupiter has more satellites in solar system. Planet Venus has no satellite. Mercury is the only planet with no atmosphere. Venus, Uranus, they rotate east to west, remaining all west to east. How much time is taken by sunlight to reach Earth? 8 minutes 20 seconds. Sun outermost layer known as corona. Glowing part, photosphere. And as we discuss, the Lagrange, Aditya Lagrange first solar mission, fourth country, India. Which of the following celestial body shines in the sky at night? Moon. Highest point, Leibniz, gravity compared to Earth, g/6. Rotation time, revolution, 26 days or 27 we can say. Between Sun and Earth, total number of Lagrange equal to 5. What is the source energy of the Sun and other stars? Nuclear fusion. Okay, this is what all our video about. If you do like our video, please like and share it to your friends if you find it useful, and do comment how our video made useful for you. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.